So you can gain a lot from training at our virtual studio. We have a virtual studio unlimited membership, which is a 30-day trial where you get to try out all of our classes. We have 28 classes streaming on the schedule with a team of 12 coaches. We have a naturopathic physician on the team. She teaches Qigong. We have body workers on the team that teach foundations. We have club yoga instructors. We have steel mace instructors, steel mace vinyasa. So we really hybridize all these movement modalities so that you can get the best movement education and the best quality education for your time. So you get those 28 classes plus interaction, plus accountability. You also get a 30-minute Zoom call with either myself or one of my coaches where we actually check up on your 4-day wave. So we train you in how to organize your workouts in a way that makes sense to your nervous system so you're optimizing what's called recovery. So everyone can go and do HIIT classes 5-6 days a week, but eventually that leads to overuse and that leads to injury. So we take a different approach. It's called the 4-day wave. So we start with our no and low intensity, our mobility days. So classes like mindful mechanics, classes like RAD mobility, self-myofascial release, or Qigong. Those are our low intensity days that prime our nervous system to be able to step into those moderate and high HIIT classes with ease and with the mobility to actually access these full ranges of motion with control and precision. So again, we teach you recovery-based training and we help keep you accountable for staying on a wave that makes sense to your nervous system. And we check in with you where we do deep goal setting. We want to understand your deep why. Like, what is your intrinsic motivation for wanting to actually master this movement and master this practice? And then we set your midterm and long-term goals with you so that we can cater a program that's specific to your needs. This is truly an invaluable program that we've set up, and we are super excited to launch it globally and excited to get you into the virtual studio soon. Feel free to ask us questions. You can contact us through our website, flowshala.com, or through Instagram @flowshala.